all my friends, thank you for being loyal to our channel. Today I will create this flower. This flower is hibiscus flower. This is from Organza, and I hope you like and enjoy this channel. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment and share my video. And now let's prepare the item for making this flower. The materials are ribbon, flannel, scissors, lantern, thread and needle, stamen, glue and glue gun. The first step, you take a organza and you cut according to size, the weight of 2.5 cm and the length of 16 cm. Then you fold in half like this. You fold again. You skewer like this. And you cut. Like this. And now you take a lantern and you melt the edge of the ribbon like this. Like this. You take a thread and needle and start sewing. You start from this corner here. You keep sewing until the last corner here. Okay. This is like this. You keep sewing like this. And you pull, and this is one petal. Take again and you start sewing. You pull again like this, and you knit again. this, and there is 3 petal. And you skewer. You skewer, and this is 1 petal, 1 flower, and you need 3 parts of the flower. There is 3 flowers. This is 3 petals, 5 petals, and 7 petals. And now you start arranges from the small ones into the big one. You take a stamen and you put in small one, like this. Give the glue, put glue here, and you arrange again. You put glue and you arrange. Okay, and now you take a flannel and you cut the flannel in a circle like this. Give the glue here, put the glue, and you put it under the flower, and the hibiscus flower has been done. Thank you. Bye-bye.